morning. My name is Siddhi Chandrakant Gowde.
My name is Riddhi Manohar Gavas.
And we are from HSS High Secondary School, Goa.
HSS High Secondary presents Aqua Defender. It is a prototype, the water surface. So it floats on water and collects the floating waste from the water surface. So how we got the idea of making this project? So as we all know that because of the scarcity of water, people are drinking the pond water, which is very unhealthy and very unhygienic. But they are drinking that water.
Yeah, we also concerned with the Sarpanch of our area. But he was like, it is very expensive to clean ponds each and every month. So we came up with something sufficient and which can be used every month and clean our ponds. So we designed our Aqua Defender in such a way that each feature of it is connected to the problems in our village areas.
So water is the foundation of life. It covers 70% of Earth's surface, wherein only 2.5% is fresh water. Unfortunately, our rivers and lakes are turning into dumping grounds. So as you can see the video here, how it works.
Copyright.
Now let us see the practical working of our project. So this is how it collects the waste in the bin.
We have also introduced ultrasonic sensor which will detect the obstacle and the object will turn its direction.
The waste can be
ड्राइव कर सकते हैं, मैनुअली चला सकते हैं इसको ऐसा.
So we have made it on Arduino Uno and motor drive. We have also introduced sensors which will detect the obstacles.
अगर ये एक ही जगह पे स्टॉप हो गया तो एक ही जगह पे अगर ये स्टॉप हो गया, कहीं पे रुक गया, अटक गया,
तो हमने आर्डिनो उनो कोडिंग सिस्टम पे ये वर्क करता है.
एक
तो
ही जगह
हम
पे
इसे
अगर चलता हो कंटिन्यू तो रिटर्न रिवर्स होता होगा.
हाँ वही, हम इसे कमांड दे सकते हैं कि रिटर्न हो व्हेनेवर इस ये कहीं पर स्टक हो गया.
वायरलेसली कमांड दे सकते हो.
हाँ,
अच्छा,
कमांड
वही पूछ रहा था. अच्छा, गुड.